Hi guys, this is Saurabh. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a plain game in MIT App Inventor. So here you can see that's the game here. I'm going to click on Start Game. Okay, so I'm just going to click on this button, and you will see here that's the plain here, and here's 4 buttons: up, down, left, and right. And you will see here score also, and that's the background, and that's the plain. Whenever we click on any buttons here, okay, so score will automatically start counting score. So start game, we are going to click on up button. You will see here down, left, right. You cannot pause this plan. You will see game over. Why? Because we have reached the age of our phone or age, right? So your plan is crashed. That's why game is over. You just click on start again, and you will see here final score 58. Whenever I'm going to click on start again, you will see score is 0, and up, oh, it's again down, up, left, right, and game over. Fine. So that's very simple game. So we are going to make this game. So here we go. First, click on start new project, and that's my plain game. Right, click on OK. That's my app name. Now here we start. That's the dashboard here. We are going to use here one layout first. You will see a layout option, and here we use vertical arrangement first. Okay, and make this vertical arrangement fill parent, and make this height also fill parent. Here I'm going to design the first screen, means the start game screen. So make this align horizontal to center and make it center, and drag and drop here one button like this. I'm going to change this background color of this layout, and I'm going to make it orange, or you can make it like a black, anything what you want. And that's the button here. I'm going to make this button color text to black, and background color I'm going to make it orange. And I'm going to change the text here and just start. Okay, fine. And that's the font size. I'm going to make it 20. Fine. So that's our first screen of our app. Now for the second screen, minimize this and make it visible off. Okay. And I'm going to drag and drop again. For vertical arrangement, you will see here that one, and make this also fill parent, and with this fill parent, and change this background color something black. Fine. Now I'm going to use here one canvas. You will see here drawing option, drawing animation, and drag and drop this canvas and make it hide as fill parent and width is fill parent. Fine. Now here I'm going to drag and drop one image split like here, and change this image split image. You will see a picture option. Click on this, upload file, click on choose file. You have to download one PNG image like this one, and click on OK. Wait some seconds, and you will see this image is this image have large scale pixels, so I'm going to make it 100 and 100 like this, and you can make it like more 50-50, so it will fine. This will fine. Fine. Now I'm going to click on canvas and make it background image something. So click on upload file, choose file. I'm using here this image here, cloud image, sky image, and you will see here, wait some seconds, that's the image here. Fine. Now I'm going to use one layout here to display the buttons. So I'm going to use here vertical arrangement. Drag and drop this vertical arrangement and make this with fill parent. Here click on user interface and drag and drop your buttons 4 times. Okay, up, down, left, and right. Okay, now I'm going to rename these all buttons. Up BTN. Okay, then that one is down BTN. Third one is left BTN, and fourth one is right BTN. right btn. Okay, I'm going to change their name also. This one is up, so I'm going to make it here up. This one is down, so I'm going to write here down. This one is left, and that one is right, so I'm going to make it right. Fine. Click on horizontal arrangement and make this center, and this one is also center. Now click on up button and make this one is with its fill parent, and do this for all these buttons. Make fill parent, and make fill parent. Fine. Now I'm going to change the background color of horizontal arrangement and make it default black, and I'm going to change the button color also, so I'm going to make it a style. Click on done. It's style but it's not look good. I'm going to make it more dark like this, and I'm going to change the text color is white and make it font bold. Do for all images, like change the background color again like this. Okay, copy this up button background color from here, custom, go to the custom, copy this color and paste this color in all buttons. Okay, click on down, go to the custom, click on custom and change your color like this. For Sam, like this, make their text color white and make it font bold. Do for all these images, text color white, and go for right button, make it background color custom and paste your code here and make it default text color to white and make it font bold. Fine. These are 4 buttons. Here I'm going to use one score. Okay, so here I'm going to use again horizontal arrangement. Okay, so you will see here layout option and horizontal arrangement, and drag and drop this horizontal arrangement like here and make this fill parent. And here I'm going to use 2 labels, one for writing score and second for display the score. So this one is for score, and no, this one is 0 and make this one is score. Fine. I'm going to change horizontal arrangement background color to black and make these font bold and make it 18 and change their text color to white, and click on another one like this one, label 2, and make this one text color to white like this and make it font bold and change your font size like 18. Now I'm going to make it in a center, so click on left to center, it's center, and click on label 1 and make this with its fill parent, and to for them like no, not height, not only width, is fill parent like this. Fine. Now that's our second screen. Now we are going to work on third screen for game over. So collapse all this and make it visible off, and drag and drop again layout, and here I'm going to use again vertical arrangement and drag and drop this fill parent, and here I'm going to change the background color, make it black, and here I'm going to use 3 things. First one is label for display final score, second for is that's your game over, and third one is button to start game again. Click on vertical arrangement and make it center, and this one is also center. Click on label 1, make it 20, or you will see here text color, change your text color to white and make this is right now for 0 because that's the current score right now, and make this your game over and change this font size to 22 and something text color should be red it's fine. Font, make it font bold, and click on this button and make it right down here, start again. Fine, and change background color, something tell or something, anything what you want, and change their text color also. That one is the start again button. Fine, so these all are 3 screens we have right now. So make it visible off, and this one is visible on. Fine, now I'm going to code for this first screen. So go to the block, and whenever you can see your vertical arrangement first and this one button 1, I'm going to change this button name and make it start btn. Click on OK and go to the block. Whenever someone click on button 1, so we have to display the second screen, right? It means vertical arrangement 2, and hide this vertical arrangement 1. So you will see here option for visible. Copy and paste this one vertical arrangement 1 and 2, and type here true. Second one should be true and this one should be false. So let's see how it's work right now. I'm going to use your emulator. So here you can see that's the first screen. So whenever someone click on start game, so you will see second screen will showing right here. In the next tutorial we will learn how to code for these buttons. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any suggestion for making this game more advanced, so just comment on the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me on comment. Please subscribe my channel, like this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.